In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to one person on Mailchimp. We know that Mailchimp is a fantastic tool for managing email campaigns, but sometimes all you need is to send a message to just one individual rather than a large group. Whether it's a personal thank you or an important memo, sending a direct email using Mailchimp is easy once you know the steps. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Mailchimp's website and logging into your account. If you're not already signed in, just enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, you're ready to create your email. Next, you'll see a Create button at the top of your dashboard. Click on that and you'll get a few different options. Choose email from the list and then select regular email. Mailchimp will ask for an internal email name. This is just for your reference, so choose something that helps you remember what this email is about or who it's going to. Now that you've set up the basics, you'll find yourself in the To section. Look for and click on the Add Recipients button. This is where you'll specify who your email is going to. Since the goal here is to send the email to a single person, you'll want to choose the correct audience. Once you've clicked Add Recipients, select the audience you're using for this email. Remember, if you haven't set up an audience yet, you can do that beforehand under the Audience tab. But for today, let's assume you've got that part covered. In the Send To drop-down menu, select the option that reads Pasted Emails. This option allows you to manually add the email address of the person you want to reach, bypassing the larger mailing list. The next step is straightforward. Paste the email address of the individual you want to send your email to. It's a good practice to double check this email for accuracy to ensure it reaches the intended recipient without any hitches. With that done, you're ready to design your email. Mailchimp offers a variety of easy-to-use design tools to personalize your message, so feel free to make it your own, whether that's crafting text that resonates, adding images, or using templates to save time. Finally, once you're happy with your design and content, it's time to send your email on its way. Simply follow Mailchimp's prompts to finalize everything and hit send. There you have it, a simple, effective way to send an email to one person using Mailchimp. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and good luck with sending your email.